Hi, and in this video, let's talk about 8 secrets from Chinese longevity village. In a village in China, people live more than 100 years. From 100 persons, 9 of them can live more than 90 years old. They live together 5 generations in one house. They take care of each other, and they don't have medicine, innovative medicine like we have in the big cities. What their secret, how they live to stay healthy most of their life. Let's talk about this. What is the secret of Chinese longevity? This Chinese village called Bapa. It's located in the southwest of China, near the border with Vietnam. People from this village live 100 years and more. This fact is blowing up when you understand the way they live. You try to figure out with your situation in life and realize that something wrong in our current life's habits. What is going on in this village? What is the secret of Chinese longevity? They do not have doctors, medicine, hospital, but the villagers lead an exceptionally healthy lifestyle. But those people are not lying down on the bed. They are active, happy, and healthy. They work every day. They actually created life habits in constantly movements. Longevity program, the 8 secrets of Chinese longevity. Today you can apply those lessons to your own lifestyle. Many of you who will adopt this lifestyle will lose weight, treat insomnia, high cholesterol, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Are you ready to apply those lessons from Asian village? Here are 8 secrets of longevity from Chinese village. Number 1. Eat real foods. People under 100 do not eat sugar and sugary foods. They don't think it's real food. They will not eat it. I really don't understand how people in the big cities can eat unprocessed food without added any sugar. Bleh. However, Chinese people who live more than 100 years says that if you want to increase life expectancy, you need to increase the amount of fresh fruits and vegetables. Vegetables, they eat 3 times a day, and vegetables more than fruits. Vegetables are eaten 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. They have also food like corn, bamboo shoots, nuts, rice, barley, and fish. They eat actually fish and meat only on special occasions from time to time. In the afternoon, corn, grits, boiled popcorn, boiled pumpkin, various vegetables, and garlic, potatoes sprinkled with rice vinegar. What do you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Don't tell a vegan you eat meat every day. Number 2, change your attitude. If you want to live 100 years, you really need to change your attitude. The people from Wapan village have seen a war and they were suffering from diseases, from hunger, but some way remain positive. One of the biggest problems that modern life faces is the level of stress and anxiety. We often destroy our relationship. We also have problem with sleep. But people from Chinese village some way solved their problems. But let's be true, they don't have so much problem. They have low stress levels. They live the best years of their lives and believe that tomorrow will be even better than today. This lesson for us from them. Number 3, connection with another people. Their studies show that hugging out with the right people who have a support network in life may be more important to your longevity than smoking or being abused. The villagers take care of each other by sharing food with those who don't have it. Do you always give for charity? If your life is important to others and their life is important to you, then you are very rich, one Chinese woman from the longevity village said. 4. Get moving. This means not only going to the gym every day, but also trying to build a life where you always in movement. The people of Japan keep fit by working in the fields. For many Americans who work at a desk, this isn't possible, but researchers suggest working while standing on treadmills, go up the stairs, take a walk after your meal. Number 5. Stick to the schedule. The people of Japan wake up early in the morning, eat and go to bed to the same time every day. They have schedule. You also can stick to a strict schedule, making life easier, and it will promote your balance. Number 6. Clean up the area around you. Clean air, food, and water are essential. Bapan residents due to the village's isolation lived largely free of modern pollution, including pesticide, harsh cleaning products, and other chemical pollutions. The air in the average American home can be 2 or 5 times more polluted than outside. Use air filters, clean them with natural products, maintain your air filters, and buy organic carpets and furniture that contain fiber potentially harmful. Also try to get rid of the clutter that lead to stress. It could be a hobby or good job during your golden years. We humans need something that motivates us every day, especially in old age when many people feel unknown. 7. Have patience. Have patience. It could be a hobby or good job during your golden years. We humans need something that motivates us every day, especially in old age when many people feel unwanted.